Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will present on simulation, modeling and analysis of a bank in Chalon, Kedah. I am Nurul Haiqa binti Idris and this is my partner, Nurul Hanani binti Yusuf. So we'll proceed with our introduction. We will define three terms, which is bank, bank system and simulation. The first one is bank. Bank is a lawful organization deposit that can be withdrawn on demand. It is also lend money to an individual and business houses. The second one is bank system. A bank system is a group of network and institutions that provide financial service. These institutions are responsible for operating a payment system, providing loan and helping with investment. The third one is simulation. Simulation is the process of designing a model of a real system and conducting experiments with this model for the purpose of understanding the behavior of the system and evaluate the various strategy. So next is our problem statement. This day, in each organization, the main objective of their company is on how to enhance their service. The location of the bank is strategy as it is the main route to the Malaysia-Thailand border in north. Thus, this will be the target bank for the resident and people around the bank, since it is the only bank in Chalon. As it is the only bank in Chalon, it may cause a long queue in the system and result in wasting of customer time. This can be proved through our interview session with the officer and some of the customer. The officer said that there will be several peak times in the bank which will cause the long queue. Meanwhile, one of the customers said he need to wait a long time to get his problem regarding bank matter settled. So we provide three research questions, which is first, what is the waiting time of a customer in a bank service system? Second, does the bank service system utilize its service which aim to provide service to customer? Third one is what is the alternate model and how its efficiency level with the existing model. So we'll provide research objective to answer the research question. So the first one is to know the waiting time of a customer in a bank service system. Second, to know the utilization of the bank service system which provides service to customer. Lastly, to propose an alternate model and compare its efficiency level with the existing model. Next is our scope of study. Our scope of study is only for bank which is located in Chalon, which is Maybank. So this study will focus on developing a simulation modeling and system of a bank in Chalon, Kedah using Arena simulation software. The proposed system will help in order to stimulate the bank service system in terms of client arrival, waiting time, and queuing time. So our significance of study is, the researcher believe that customer satisfaction can be improved by providing convenient service for customer by minimizing their waiting and queuing time. It will give a clear perspective to the manager on how the bank system service should be improved. This research also gives benefit to bank itself as the simulation modeling advantage to present a future prospect which consider beneficial reporting system that simulator provide focusing on every desirable element.
So proceeding with the description of the bank, this bank service system, which is Maybank, consists of 10 main counters, which can be divided into two sections, which section number 1, there is 6 counters, which are doing operation regarding saving account, check issues, opening account, and transferring money. In section 2, there are 2 counters which are responsible for doing jobs, such as solving problems about financial management, ATM card, credit and debit card issues, and internet banking system, while another one is regarding on ASB financial, and these counters are multi-skilled employees who are able to do the operation for all the duties in their own section. And this bank working hours is 8 hours and people are entering the bank in all day except for weekend. So this is the model layout. So this is our basic model, which got two entity, which is customer type 1. As customer entering the service, which when the customer arrive, the entity will be in woman picture, and then along the system, it will be assigned into two assigned, which is customer one. When we will be assigned to customer, we will turn the entity into a man picture. Customer 2 will turn into a person picture. So and they will get the service or teller, a counter, and they need to. After we have run the model, and this is the result and output that we got, which we can see the customer that into the service system is 105 customer, and then the customer that get fully serviced and out of the system is 82 customer. And we can see the queue time, which is long in the teller 1, which is 24 minutes, and then followed by the query and ticketing counter by 16 minutes. And this is our animation model, which will be included with the road and station. And this is the animation model, where we can animate the basic model into the animation, and we can see the flow of the system. As soon as they get their services, they will leave the system. And that's it for the animation model. And in order to achieve our third objective, which is to propose an alternate model, we come up with two alternation and intervention, which is scenario 1 and scenario 2. This is our scenario 1, which we add another one teller table since it got long queue time here. So we add another teller, and here is the model. So this is the add one teller model. We add another one teller table. And here is the result. See, and compared with the first one, here we can see that the customer number in is 97 customer, and number out is 75 customer, which we can see the basic model is better than the this scenario 1 model. But in terms of the waiting time, we can see that by adding another table, the teller table can be reduced from 24 minutes in basic model to 21 minutes, the maximum. And the query also can be reduced to 9 minutes compared to the first one. This is for our scenario 2, which we model in the first scenario. The customer will, and this is the output and result for the scenario 2, which we can see the number customer in is 110 and customer out is 77, which is similarly like the basic model compared to the scenario 1. And as for the waiting time, we can see that the teller table can be reduced until 6 minutes, the maximum, but the query and ticketing counter got increased into 10 minutes compared to the scenario 1, which is 9 minutes and basic model. But it is better than the basic model, which basic model until 23 minutes. And And that's all from us.
Thank
you.
Bye!